Welcome to Jerusalem, a city where history and faith intertwine in breathtaking harmony. As we soar above the old city, the iconic Dome of the Rock stands proud, a symbol of devotion and resilience. Wander through the ancient streets and feel the weight of history at the Western Wall, where prayers have echoed for centuries. Just a stone's throw away, the Church of the Holy Sepulchre invites you to explore the sacred ground believed to be the site of Christ's crucifixion and resurrection. Nearby, the Tower of David tells tales of kings and conquerors, a testament to the city's rich past. Venture into the vibrant Mahan Yehuda market, where the aroma of spices and fresh produce fills the air, and the lively atmosphere reflects the spirit of Jerusalem. Experience the modern side of Jerusalem in its thriving arts district, where creativity flourishes alongside ancient traditions. The Israel Museum showcases remarkable artifacts, bridging the past with the present. After a day of exploration, unwind in luxurious accommodations that offer stunning views of this magnificent city. Indulge in comfort and elegance, making your stay as memorable as the sights you've seen. Plan your visit at JerusalemHotels.com and book your journey through time today.